Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Namita Devi and in today's video we are going to cover donut charts in Excel which looks like this one, and I'll also tell you in what scenarios you should use this chart and how we can create it. By the end of this video, I'll also tell you how you can create a progress chart using donut charts. If you are new to Excel charts, watch out this video to clear your chart basics, and let's start our video for today about donut charts in Excel. What are donut charts and when we use it? Donut charts are built-in chart type in Excel. We use donut charts to display the data which have small number of categories, and all these categories sum to 100%. For example, in this data we have captured how many people loves strawberry ice cream flavor, how many loves chocolate, and then vanilla. So here we have only 3 categories. And if we take out the percentage, it adds up to 100%. So we can use here donut charts and it will look like this one. So my tips here are use donut charts when you have limited categories, say 2 to 5, and they are not changing over time. How to create a donut chart? Let's take this example. We have 3 products and the units sold for each product. To show this data graphically, we can use donut charts. First, let's calculate the total percentage for each product, which is equal to units sold divided by total unit, and we will drag this formula down. So fix this C8 reference by pressing F4 key from your keyboard. Now drag this and convert into percentage. If you see, the percentage is adding up to 100%. Now we will display the products and its total percent. So select this column, hold your control key and select this column. Go to Insert. Under your Charts tab, you have multiple charts types available. Donut is a type of pie chart. So you can select this circle icon and then select Donut. If you don't see this icon here, then click this arrow at the bottom right, go to All Charts. Under Pie, select this donut shape and click OK. You will get your chart. Drag it wherever you want it in your file. Now let's beautify it. First, I want to change this gray color. So click on this part, double click on it to get this window. The shortcut key to get it is select this shape and press Ctrl 1. Go to this option. Now here you can see the blue color. It is this color which you see here, and I'm fine with this color, so select gray color. Now here you can see gray color and change it with the color of your choice. Let's say green color. To remove these white spaces in between, we can do it with selecting the entire circle and choosing no line border. Now let's make it more thick. Select this shape, go to this option and decrease the donut hole size. Let's add the data labels. You can add it by clicking on this plus sign and then check this box data labels. Select these labels and you can change their formatting. I am making them bold and white color and choosing some bigger font so that it is visible. We can also change the chart title. So let's say sales by product. You can also format or move these legends. So again, I'm making them bold and a bigger one. And let's do bold and underline to the chart title also. You can remove the border of this chart. So select entire chart and select no line border. This is how you can make your beautiful donut chart. How to make a progress chart? Let's say I want to show a chart for overall project completion. For example, my complete percentage of the project is 40%. then here in remaining section it will be 1 minus 40, which is 60%. To insert the donut chart, follow the same steps. Select your data, go to insert, from here select donut chart. Let's remove these legends. Just click on it and delete. Update your chart title, say project status. Let's beautify our chart. Double click on the shape, decrease the donut hole size like we did before. Remove these white line borders, select it and select no line border. Let's adjust the color. This orange color is the remaining series, so I want to show it in light gray color. Choose a light gray color from here. You can also change these colors from your home tab and this option. Let's also add our percentage completion right at the middle of this circle. So here is a tip. If you want to add any additional content in your chart so that it moves with the chart when you move it, you need to select your chart first and then go to insert. We want to add the text box. Select this option, text box, draw it here, go to its formula bar and write here equal to this cell reference and press enter. Adjust it so that it sits middle of the circle. Now check this out. Every time I move my chart, the text box is also moving with it. Now make it bold and of the same blue color of your chart. You can also do any other formatting that you want. Now here we will do one new thing, and which is making these edges in some different shape. So select this series, double click on it, make sure only this series is selected. Go to this option, under border add a solid border, the same color of the series and make a bigger width, so I am making it 6. You can adjust your chart edges as you like it. So this pop-up window will give you full control on your chart. Let's now test it if it is working fine. I'm writing here that my project is now 55% completed. So my value here is updated and my chart is also progressing. Tell me in the comments section if you have ever used donut charts. If yes, then for what purpose? You can also download the workbook for your practice. The link is provided below this video in the description. If you want to see more videos like this, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy learning.